So tell me how most of you guys would fix this. Ooh, that's pretty bad. We'll see how I fix it. Now I know what everybody's gonna say. Garrett, you have to take this plane apart to fix it. Well, that's not entirely true. So here's what we're gonna do. They really shouldn't sell me tools like this, or sell people like me tools like this. So that's what we're gonna use to fix that. Like I said, they shouldn't sell these things to me if they didn't want me to use them. Hold on, hang on. Oh, nope. Oh boy. Oh yeah. That's gonna work perfect. Oh, it's not wide enough. Can you YouTube engineers out there see it's not wide enough? We need to make sure it's wide enough for that piece to go in there. How are we gonna do that other than waller it out? Whoa, no, 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 we need that. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh, yeah. I'm sure there's enough travel on that servo. Oh, come on. Nope. We want a good fit. We don't want to Mickey Mouse this or nothing. Come on now. Oh, Jesus. We may have it, guys. Oh, God. Do not do what I do. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, that's gonna do it. It's gonna fit right in there. That glue is gonna have something to hold on to. Oh, yeah. We're gonna have a nice turning rudder once again. All right. Now for some expert precision gluing. Come on. Come on. Oh, that guy racing out there? Sounds pretty cool. I want to be his friend. I want to be his best friend. Sounds like a real cool guy. Cut the muffler off my car on the way out of here, too. Oh, shit. Oh, that didn't break there. Nope. Didn't break nothing. What are you guys talking about? Okay, let's see. We got this. Oh, we got to get in frame. Can't give people expert advice without it being in frame. So she's in there. Let's see, hold on. Let's make sure we get. Oh, come on. Come on. Kill me, come on. Put that glue in there real good, like. Yeah. Be sure to follow me for more money-saving tips. Now, they say you're supposed to let this dry really well, but I got my expert super glue drying device. Oh, I think that's a little too much. We're gonna blow the glue right out of there. Whoa, we're gonna blow the plane over. I think it's working! I don't know how you feel about that repair, Ruddy. All right, well, geez, calm down. It's not 100% perfect, but it's good enough for the girls I date. So there you go. Some would say you can't fix a plane with an oscillating tool and some super glue. Well, let the YouTube engineers be the judge of that. You can hear something buzzing over there. I don't know what that is. But, oh, just trim it out. Oh, wrong way. Let's see. We'll fix that with the sub trim. I'm sure somebody's gonna chime in and say what the sub trim is. I'm using it wrong. I don't care. These are my planes. There we go. It works better than brand new. Who would have thought? Look at that. And that ain't coming out of there. Boom. Suck it.